how to turn on or turn off show contextual options in the Assistant menu for the Samsung Internet app on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the Home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the Settings icon. Next, we scroll down, then tap on Accessibility. Then, tap on Interaction and Dexterity. Next, tap on Assistant menu. In here, tap on Select Apps to show contextual menus with. And in here, tap on Samsung Internet. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off, switch it on. After that, we go down and tap on the Home button to go back to your home screen. Now open up your Samsung Internet app, and if you tap on the Assistant menu icon, you can see it will add some additional items to the menu, such as enter web address, open up the tabs list, or open up a new tab. So here is a shortcut. I can quickly open up a new tab by tapping on New Tab, or I can open up my tab list to show the list there. And that's it. So that is how you can turn on or turn off these contextual menu items. So if we switch it off, you can see if I go back to my Samsung. Now this time if I open up my Assistant menu, it will not show those extra items. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.